We're farming.
Go in there, and then I thought about old Red.
Chicken farming.
And I thought,
You do? Okay. Well, here, what we want to do is
we'll get some more in a minute.
here's the hammer. We want to hang it right here. Let's see if it'll hang. Close it up. Close it up. Don't smash your fingers.
There she nails.
Here. Here, hold this. It's on now.
Whitey.
See here? It bends up like this. See, it closes up.
What?
Let's see if it'll hang.
He's got a mohawk.
It'll hang right there.
Well, you're on the phone right now.
You want a
Wave at
hammer?
it and say hi.
Let's start this one here. And then start this one here. Okay. Hammer it now. You take a picture.
The bug bites are eating you. Then Tom's going back to the house. The bug bites are eating
Okay.
her.
Here. Let's hit it one more time, okay? What you hit? Hang it there and see what happens. There you go. It works.
Grammy, come here.
What? Did you hang the ladder up?
I done it. I hang the ladder on.
Very good.
Oh, look what Bubba done.
Look what Bubba done. He hanged the ladder up. We'll need that ladder. Look, they'll roost on that ladder.
Yeah, but well, that'd be all right. That's fine.
Well, sissy.
You just fell? Just dropped down, huh? You okay?
No,
Huh?
we hurt.
You need to go back in the house?
Well, you scratched your, well, Kyla?
On the brick,
I'm on the block.
on the block.
Guess what I got out of the pen?
Okay, well,
Guess what I got out of the pen?
yep, that's old stuff. Now, they'll lay eggs up in there. They'll lay eggs there. All up in the best box. See, I'll get eggs up there. See, I'll collect the eggs and put them in that little blue basket, and we'll go.
And look what I got out of the pen.
Yeah, we'll just have to throw that in the garbage. That's not needed. Okay, let's pick up our bags. Yeah, that's the best way to tote hay. Now, let me show you something here. Take the bag. Here, hold this. Okay. Take the bag like this. Flatten it out and roll it up like this. And then you put it in here. See? See? Take a picture of the chickens.